Hey guys, what is up? It is Skylar, and today I am playing Minecraft, and I am in my secret base. Shh, don't tell anybody about it. It's secret! Alright. Alright, now, see? Let's go down again. Alright. So as you saw, I had a little hole. I'll show you guys what it's for. Alright guys, right now I am getting the name tag ready. I'll show you guys my creation. Alright, let's put test subject number 1. Yeah! My creation. Alright. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, I just woke up. Alright, so let's get in the lab. Decontamination. Alright. Dang it. Forgot that. Well, let's add it. There we go. That works for both. Yeah, handy. Alright. Now, let's do the experiment. Will she leap? Leap? Come on. Alright, let's try a different potion. Will she be hurt? With poison or regeneration? Dang it, those aren't splash potions. Will she be hurt by harming or, one sec, regeneration? We will find out. Alright, it is filled up. Yeah, I do leap high. Touch the ceiling. Let's go try out this jumping potion real quick. I should probably decontaminate myself again. There we go. Decontaminating complete. Yeah. It's nice. Alright. Oh man, it's night. Oh, still. Splash yourself a little more. Still the same distance. Well, we'll go to sleep. Alright, I literally just woke up again. Let's go downstairs and see if Witchy the Witch is there. She is here. Let's see. Seems like that one didn't hurt her. That one did. Harming hurts her. That is it for today. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, like a boss, and be awesome and join the army. Let's go!